Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about decoration with plants and how to decorate to your home with indoor plants. Here are some of the most amazing plant decorating options for your homes. You can pick any idea and adopt it to suit your home taste and lifestyle. If you don't have much time to dedicate to plants care, pick plants that require minimum maintenance. So why decorating with plants is not a consideration when planning a new home or a renovation? For two main reasons. People are simply not aware of the many amazing ways we can decorate with plants and enhance our homes. People have the misconception that plants require too much time and maintenance. In addition to the aesthetics values that plants can add to a home, indoor plants have many health benefits, and surrounding ourselves with green, living and breathing decor is incredibly beneficial for our bodies and minds. Indoor plants eliminate toxins from the air, improving our home air quality. They are energizing for the mind by lowering stress level and encouraging a deeper sleep. As the saying goes, plants make people happy, so why not giving plant decorating a chance? Even if your home is lacking in square footage, incorporating greenery is essential to bringing it to life. Indoor plants add more beauty to a space while also providing functional benefits like promoting a positive mood, purifying the air, and making you feel connected to nature without having to step outside. So there is no reason to let a small space or lack of gardening experience stop you from utilizing your green thumb inside your home. So all the plants lover, watch this video and decorate your house with these amazing indoor plants ideas.